wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Hairul Yani, NIM 2112400001173 ya. Oke, kali ini saya akan mempresentasikan bahasa Inggris bertemakan Quick Progression Architecture Optimization based on input pattern for exchange rate prediction from rupiah to US dollar. Oke, lanjut. Abstract: money exchange between countries was done by using exchange rates. One of the example was exchange between rupiah and US dollar. Exchange rates prediction to US dollar was an attempt to assist relate economic actor to avoid losses during the process of decision making. The prediction could be done by using artificial neural network method. Oke, lanjut saja. Introduction. Every country definitely has a tool for trading which is called money. Each of them has their own currency value. The difference in economic condition of each country cause some impact on the value of a country's currency to another. The differences can be either an increase in the exchange rate or a decline in the exchange rate value based on the status of country economic condition. The proposed research aims to optimize the architecture of quick progression by using errors based on the input pattern. This will be compared to the quick progression architecture with using R. Method: collecting to dynamic input pattern, to scenario weighted processing, to scenario weighted processing and data. Next, in the section of training data and testing data. Next, testing and training and testing, evaluation conclusion, and to next testing, determining input pattern, scenario weighted processing, to scenario with processing data and testing to prediction. Okay. Data collection for quick progression architecture optimization based on input pattern using auto-correction for exchange rate prediction from rupiah to US dollar is done by taking data from Bank Indonesia atau BI official website, that is www.bi.go.id. Determination of input pattern. In the determination phase of data input pattern, data identification can be made in quick progression architecture. The process of determining the input pattern is divided into two scenarios. Scenario 1 is the determination of input pattern without using R model based on the study of Onita AS. That is converted to the time series by using the previous 2 days input. Scenario 2 is the determination of the input pattern using R model and SPSS to define the R model. Data normalization. Once the pattern is formed, the data will be normalized. Normalization of data is done so that all data values have the same rank as the activation function. The activation function as is the binary sigmoid activation function with ranks. The equation for data normalization is as follow. The identification of the training data and the test data. The data will be divided into training data and test data. The training data are used in the training process, while the test data are used to validate its model in the form of accurate testing of trained quick progression. Training and testing process. This research uses quick progression training method. The quick progression algorithm is the development of a standard back progression algorithm based on the Newton method. Result and discussion. The experimental results were condition used three scenarios. The purpose of scenarios 1 and 2 is to define the optimal architecture of each method, quick progression in each scenario. The optimal architecture of each scenario is determined by the value of MSA resulting from neural network testing procedures, where the optimal architecture is the architecture that produces the lowest MSA value. Meanwhile, scenario 3 and aims to compare the result of scenario 1 and 2 based on the value of MSA training and MSA test scores. These values can be analyzed to get the B scenario and method from scenario 1 and 2 done is the research. Solution. The solution that can be drawn from the research on quick progression architecture optimization based on input pattern using auto-regression for exchange rate prediction of rupiah to US dollar. In terms on value of training MSA and testing MSA in that quick progression method using window weight initialization and preparing R is the best method to do prediction. Okay, reference 1. Fahman SDD. Next. Untuk selebihnya terima kasih, sekian dari presentasi saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apabila ada salah kata dan kata yang kurang jelas, mohon maaf sebesar-besarnya. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.